This is the Clubbell Barbarian squat. So for this exercise, we just need one club bell. We're going to begin in the order position. So forearms 90 degrees, elbows pinned into your side. We're going to first start by reaching the club bell back behind our head. So take a big deep breath, reach the club bell back in control. Keep the elbows tucked in. And then we're gonna pull the club bell overhead with straight arms. And at the same time, we are squatting down. And then as we come up from the bottom position, we're going to reach back behind our head again. So big deep breath, pulling the club bell overhead, squatting down with straight arms, and then back behind your back. So that's another rep. So, and I'll just show you from the side. So just give you a better view. So reaching back, pulling over and squatting down, pulling over and squatting down. Also try to keep your arms at shoulder height. Don't drop the club bell down too far as you're squatting down. So just keep it out straight in front of you. So yeah, it kind of combines a club bell pullover plus a front flag hold squat. Really good full body exercise.